Can you tell us a little bit about your faith journey?
My faith journey. I feel like most people, well, let me speak for myself. My faith journey, I would say it hasn't been perfect. I've had moments where I felt close to God, and I've also had moments where I had to tell myself, you have to believe Him through the seasons. Like I've had moments where I had doubts. I wanted to, you know, because of whatever the circumstances, it's easy for you to doubt God or what He can do when you're in a moment. So I had seasons where I had to keep telling myself that to believe in the moment of the storm. So, yeah, and I also had seasons where I felt close to Him, like our relationship is great. But now I can say I'm doing something that's true to me. Like I would tell my friends, I love to sing, I love to perform, to feel like I'm doing all of this nice stuff. But at the end of the day, what's mostly important to me is worship. C'est adoration. So, bien que moi me chanter, moi me performer, pour sur scène, pour me la regarder, pour me danser, mais ça moi qui vraiment true to myself, ça moi vraiment aimer, c'est adorer.